Okay, so the very first thing I want to do is find my project, and unsurprisingly, all of the planning work happens in Planner. And in here, this is where I can see all the projects I've been added to. Today, I'm going to build my basic plan in this Aphex Australia HQ project. Before getting stuck in with building my plan, I'm going to go over some of the core areas of Planner. So let's start with the top. I've got my project name here, and moving right, here are the three main pages. So the Gantt is where I'm going to do most of my planning, the clashes page, and the map page. And over to the left, I have my structure controls, so I can change how much of the plan I see, so I can stick with just my tasks, see the entire plan, or a certain team's work. And here I can also change the structure, so I can group by owner of work, packages, or WBS. And there's even an option here to choose the subgrouping too. And this assignee column here allows me to send work to our field app for the site team. To the right, I have some other Gantt controls like the date selector and filter. And at the top here, I can share and print the plan, check my notifications, and access the help menu. And last but not least, we have the sidebar, accessed via the Aphex icon over here. And this is where I can find the other main pages of Planner. And most of the pages here are the realm of the project admins, so I'm going to save you the trouble, and we'll skip these for now. Okay, now that that's out of the way, let the planning begin.